and in reality what we want to return is 2020 01 01 0 0 0 0, right? Let's hope that this works. This is where it all started to go wrong, guys. It's not quite working, is it? So if we console.log here and say now, date now, then so it's not getting called. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, let's have a look if there's Sinon stub date. Okay. Use fake timers. Okay. That's, yeah, sorry. I knew that. I've done that before. Okay. Okay, so really what we want to do is, what we're going to say here, we just make that a constant, right? And that's just going to be start of 2020. Start of, no, I was going to make a joke, but it's getting old. It's getting old already. Okay. Sweet, start of 2020, and then what we're going to do is we're going to say the clock is equal to use fake timers, and we're going to just pass in that constant right there. It's going to be a constant itself. We don't need all this shite. And then we may as well just return that and collapse that into a line. And then we can say after each. And what are we going to do? Actually, we need to say let clock stub, right? Actually, so going to, and then delete that and supply it up there, and then up here we say clock stub dot restore, right? So that's just going to make sure that we restore the time after each test. And I think we can just probably do it before all and after all, right? I assume Mocha's not going to complain about that, but I can't remember. I haven't used. Ah, yeah, sorry, I forgot. I don't know whether it's worth switching to Jest. Like I like the framework a lot better, but I think that all of the Oak Cliff helpers are using Mocha, and so we'll sort of miss out on that. Although our issues with standard in show us that actually the helpers that would be missing out on, not all of them work. So okay, so we're doing February for some reason. Oh yeah, of course, it's because for some reason the year is the integer, and then for some reason the month starts at 0, but the day doesn't. I don't know, JavaScript. Cool. All right, so now we can just make a perfectly reasonable assertion that this date is going to be correct, right? And now we've got our first passing test. Cool.